Hi, I'm Guy. This is the Guy or Cook Report Special Edition on Linux Mint, the latest version. I installed it on the VMware Workstation today. Now, if you're not familiar with VMware Workstation, you need to Google that. That's good software, and I've got it on my system on the Windows desktop. But I created a partition in VMware Workstation, and we're going to install Linux Mint into that. So you download the ISO file, right? And then you say install the ISO file, and VMware creates that space, and you'll get a home directory. You can see the little icon up there in the top left, and you get an install Linux Mint, that CD looking picture. You click on that, and that's going to take you to this screen. And I just made a real quick video, didn't have a lot of music or anything going on, and so there you have it. Follow the prompts to that, and you'll see that your install is complete. And when you get to the end, it's going to have the software update manager, and you can update that and get the latest and greatest of all the packages you've got installed. I hope you enjoyed this 5-minute duration, and I've sped it up a little bit so that you don't have to wait quite as long. So the whole install took about 10 minutes, a little over 10 minutes. And there you have it.